It's late. The house is quiet. Floorboards, they creak like they're in a horror movie. And then, bam! Out the shadows, it's your boy Rasta on the right. Holding something shiny. No, not a sword, not a lightsaber. It's even better, yo. My brand new ride. Yeah, fam. The first ever personal electric vehicle unboxing on the channel. We finally leveled up. Not secondhand, not borrowed. No, not even, don't even tell my cousin kind of thing. Brand spanking new. And we're celebrating too because the channel just hit 3,000 subs. Big love, big respect. So, what did I choose? Had to be something elegant. Something like class. Like if James Bond lived on my block, this is what we'd be riding. And guess what? Building it was so easy. I only needed 4 bolts and an Allen key I straight up borrowed from my girlfriend's kitchen drawer. Don't worry, babes. I'll put it right back eventually. But hold up, before we even roll, let me tell you the plug. By the end of this story, you'll end up knowing exactly where to get the cheapest, freshest electric scooters. Spoiler alert. Shout out to geekmaxi.com. That's where the magic happened. Now, check the specs. This ain't no toy scooter you see outside the corner store, nah. This beast comes fully loaded with hydraulic brakes, anti-lock safety, and a kickstand that looks like it belongs on a spaceship. Double charging sockets, carbon fiber finish. It's like Iron Man built it himself, bro, for himself. When Geek Maxi shipped it, they hit your boy up. They didn't just send me no flat tires, no dead battery nonsense. Nah, this scooter came pumped, charged, and glowing like an ambient spaceship ready for takeoff. Yes, ambient lights. Yeah, boy, we lit. Safety, top notch. The folding latch on the scooter looks strong enough to hold Optimus Prime himself together, bruh. The frame, pure aluminium alloy. Tall stem holding up to 297 pounds. That's 150 kilos or something like that. Or in layman's terms, that's me, my backpack, and maybe a slice of pizza in my pocket. Finished off in stealth gray with a metallic sparkle. Like if you fight a jet and a race car had a baby. Boom. This is it. And of course, we tested it. Autumn in England, rain drizzling, leaves falling like they're in a sad music video. But the scooter didn't flinch. Waterproof rating IP54. And in case you're wondering, yo, what does IP54 even mean, bro? Let me break it down for you. The 5 means dust can try, but ain't gonna ruin your day. The 4 means water splashes, bring it on. Just don't drive into a swimming pool, alright? Now, everybody always asking me, where do I get a scooter that's fast, cheap, and reliable? Usually I would gatekeep like a boss, but today, nah, we sharing the wealth. Boys in the hood deserve kicked up toys too. And fam, this scooter right here, it's as fast as a surron, but only a quarter of the price. You heard me now? You heard this right, bro? Yeah. This thing right here is a quarter of the price of the Surron. But this bad boy's got an LCD screen that looks like it belongs on an Audi RS3. Speed signals, revs, all flashing like Christmas lights. And bro, no keys, no. The scooter only turns on with an NFC card. Or a secret code, James Bond thing. You see what I'm saying? Straight future vibes and the power. We're talking dual motors, 2200 combined power, top speed 42 miles an hour out the box. This is before we even cut the wire. You know that secret wire, boys and girls, because you got girls on the channel now. Back to the subject. 42 miles an hour, man. That's faster than your big cousin running when he hears the ice cream truck bell. To keep up with the speed, it's got leather-like handlebar grips and vacuum rubber tires, putting all that torque into the street. Battery, monster. 52 volts, 1,216.8 watt hours of lithium battery power. Translation, This thing can take you 71 miles on a single charge. That's like riding from one city to the next, still bumping your tunes in your earbuds, bruh. Charging takes 12 hours with one charger, or 6 hours if you're smart and use two. Not bad, considering what this beast will give you back. Step onto the 21-inch footboard and the suspension greets you like, what up? No sag, no wobble, just a stiff race setup built for speed runs. And the fact you can actually adjust it, bruh, that's actually like reserved for motorcycles or something, right? This scooter's built different. Scooters used to be little push toys we clowned around with. Now, look at us, cutting through the wind like we're captains of the biggest ship on the street. Titanic kind of vibes. So yo, if you're looking for a gift for Christmases, birthdays, or just like you deserve it kind of thing, I highly recommend checking out geekmaxi.com. Spare parts are cheap, the build is legit, and if you can't swing for a surron, this Ausom DT2 Pro is the next best thing. Right now, geekmaxi.com are selling out, bro. You gotta get on this thing like for real, for real. But let me warn you, this is not a beginner scooter. Even on eco mode, it hits 18 miles per hour. That's just the warm up, bro. Big shout out to everybody subscribe. Y'all made this possible. If you enjoy the ride, smash the like button. Helps the channel, helps the community, helps me bring more geeked up rides to the block. And hey, I'm working on giving away a scooter soon, cause I gotta give back to the raw community. That's Rasta on the ride. But until then, enough talk, strap in, hold tight. We're about to take this beast on a POV ride. Less talk, more action. Oh my god, it goes through. Don't even have to get off. Nice. Bro, that thing is lit. Woo! Anyways, check that thing out. Anyway, I've got a seat over here on the old school, old faithful chaos hoverboard scooter. We got a DC motor when I'm riding over here, but that thing over there reminds me of the dual thrones and that. Gotta watch out for this Qashqai. Nissan Qashqai, very popular in England. Very, very popular car. Anyways, this scooter right here, I would be careful going through this bit, by the way, without getting off, because you gotta watch your fingers, right? But look at this thing, it's like it just glides over. That's insane. That is insane. So close, it's like magic. Whereas my thing, I've got to actually pick it up and turn the handlebars, and off we roll. Oh, the German Shepherd, so what I'm gonna do is just push, push, push. Hello, you're right. Oh, there's swans. We got swans. Oh my god. Ah, look at this, two beautiful, gorgeous things. I think that one's a baby because it's not fully white, right? Anyway, back to the scoot. Look at this beautiful thing hitting its first gravel. Oh my god, it's on gravel. Oh, look at it go. So right now on off-road, we got dual motors on that over there. Over here, old school scooters, we got one motor driving the rear wheel. Alright, over there we got two motors, hub motors. Not a mid-drive motor like we got on the old school, old faithful over here. We got something more of a hub motor, more modern, quiet. Can't even hear it. We're in sports mode now, okay. She's in sports, baby. Okay, I race ya. What? That's in sports mode. Oh my days, we're getting dusted, bro, just in sports mode. And that thing is able to go all the way up to race mode, bro. So I actually came on the power quite early to try and keep up, but damn, bro. In sports mode, that thing's ridiculous. Okay. Someone fly tipped over there. That's bad. Fly tipping on such a beautiful place. I tell you, oh, someone's really fly tipping out here. And we slow it down for the people. And we go around the doggies. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello. You're right. And we carry on our journey. Now she's leading the way to our destination. I'm not too sure where the destination is, so I'm just following blindly. Damn, that thing takes off like a rocket. But the Chaos scooter with 1500 watts of energy actually tries out. At least it actually tells me all them brakes are so sharp. It tells me when she's on the brakes, so she's got a brake light over there, which is very, very helpful to myself. I can keep a certain braking distance. Wow, it just goes through all the... Nah, I beat you. Gone. Oh my God. And she just zooms past like it's not, bro. That thing is insane. Absolutely insane. Woo! Another cyclist over here. Hello. This girl's sending it everywhere. Uphill climb round. Let's see how it does uphill. Wow, powers up the hill like nothing. I swear it is wheel spinning up the hill. How can you have so much power? You're wheel spinning up the hill. Oh my gosh. So are you in two-wheel drive mode or one-wheel drive? So when it says DDM, is that red? Yeah, okay. That thing is ridiculous. That sports mode just goes. It seems 1500 watts, 45 amps, cannot even keep up with it in sports mode. Struggling to keep up with it in sports mode. Oh, thank you. That thing's too powerful, I swear. Ridiculous. Oh my God, look at that sound. Full throttle right now. 1500 watts, bro. Geek Maxi. Our guys at Geek Maxi sent us a scooter that is geeked up, bro. Like seriously, you know what I mean by geeked up? That thing's so tacked up. It's got everything you can think of under the sun. It's got ABS, yes. Yes, people. The brakes have got ABS, anti-lock braking system. Hydraulic as well, just like a motorbike. That is something unheard of on usual scooters. Crossing the road, incognito, stealth mode, baby. You don't even know that thing existed right now. So quiet, so stealth, and gone. Oh man. Scoot, scoot, and we go. As we're going downhill now, it should kick in. Yeah. Really, I think it should be an eco, really. Oh, I am getting old, guys, because I believe things should run in eco. I run most things in eco. Like when I'm driving a car, I actually put in eco mode. Conserve the battery. Good afternoon. Hey. Speaking of time and range, she has 73 miles of range on one charge. 73! That's insanity! I put 1,000, oh gosh, she's leaving me. I put 1,028 watt hours of energy on this one, thinking I was crazy. Well, this one came in with 1,200 watt hours of energy. I swear, the guys at Geek Maxi absolutely sent us out a scooter that is so geeked up. Hi. And so I don't want to be a pain to like pedestrians and stuff, so I'm trying to slow down as much as I can. Check my shoulder, make sure there's no one behind me, you know, like I can crash into, and then I speed up, baby. Oh, look at that bridge. I call this the troll bridge, because I reckon underneath there's trolls. Anyway, we carry on. Beautiful, beautiful autumn. Is it summer, spring, autumn? Summer, spring, autumn. We just left summer. So what are we in right now? Because it's obviously not spring, I know that. It's spring. Oh, let's slow down for the doggy. Oh, hello. Hiya, you okay? Yes, man, everything's so green and luscious. Luscious green. Just like our lady friends here over here. Luscious and green. She's gone. Oi, through the dark forest. This is wild. Again, look at that LED rear light on the Check this out, guy. So we just met our guy over here.
on the sick thing. Don't worry, no face, no case. It's just bike view. Jeez, we might have a subscriber, guys. Jeez, we got a subscriber, bro. Yeah, no face, no case. He's on it, bro. Oh, did you fall off the bike or something?
Yes,
what happened there? Yeah, come. True riders, bro. True riders. You don't know trying. Yeah. All right, the race. In 3, 2, 1. I have a smoke in my thing. Oh shit. Smoke. Oh shit. 72 volts. I had to let go of the power then. Any smoke, man. He's going. Okay, guys. We just got smoked on a double motor. Oh my days. That thing is huge. So got 48 to 72 volt multi-switch. That thing is insane, bro. Okay, so 72 volts obviously cannot keep up with the amazing 72 volts, cannot keep up with the 52 volts. But this is so comfortable. And I don't know if you noticed, as we pulled up then, the ABS actually kicked in, bro. Wow. Wowza. We just street raced the DT2 Pro. Oh my gosh, and got smoked. Oh, for the cinematics. Bro, alright, check this out. Right now we're in sports mode. Race mode, bro. It's not even sports mode, this is race mode. Are you joking? Oh my god. Right, trying to do a brake check. Oh. They were not lying when they said 42 miles an hour top speed. These guys were not lying, bro. Look at my guy over here playing football on his own still. Hey, broski, what go on? Oh my, have you seen my new scoot, by the way? Bro, you like it? Yeah? Well, what do you man think? YouTube? What do you think of the new scoot then? DT2 Pro by Ausum, and I think it is awesome. Hey, kick the ball, fam. Come on, protect the scoot. No. Run that again, hit my scoot. Lose your hair. I'm cutting your hair off, bro. Come on, don't hit the scoot. I gotta save the scoot. Oh, I gotta say. Oh, he aimed for the scoot, bro. He aimed for the scoot. I swear to God. That thing was coming for us, bro. I saved you, bro. Go again, bro. Look at the scoot, bro. Look at this thing. Look, I'm waiting. I'm ready. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh guys, this thing is insane. Here he comes. Oh